Okay, once the sides have dried, we're going to shape them to their final thickness and height. You can see they're quite a bit taller than the mold. So I'm going to make some marks for the actual thickness of the guitar. And I'm going to measure it off the mold since I made that to the highest point, or I should say the widest point on the guitar itself. So I'm just going to measure that. And then I'm going to look at the sides and determine what grain you want to save and what grain you want to get rid of. You kind of want to place that side in the optimal spot. And I'm going to clamp it in, and you can see where my mark is, and I'm going to take that much off. You want to align it on the other side as well, keeping it square. And be sure there's also a little bit of the side that's still protruding on the back of the mold as well. So it overhangs on both sides. And then I'm going to take just a flush cut saw and cut off the excess from the front. Just work your way all the way around. And then once that's done, go ahead and put the back side flush, and then take a little plane and plane the front face smooth. And then you can plane that all the way down to the side mold. The back side is going to be curved and arched, so it doesn't have to be perfect. The top, though, you want it to be as square and flush as you can. And then it should be the same thickness as the mold itself. And now once you have all three pieces done, you're going to cut where the top meets the edge of the mold and save that little piece. You're going to use it on the extension on the other side of the neck. And now you want to begin a process where you take some 60 grit sandpaper, and you just want to start sanding and smoothing the inside of the sides. You may have to take off some of the clamps periodically just to get all the surfaces in. But I go from 60 and then I go to a 120 and then a 180. And once that's done, you want to take a metal scraper, like a cabinet scraper, and then I scrape these sides smooth. And just work your way up and down over the curves and get the entire inside smooth as you can. And then do this for each side and the cutaway piece.